welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will just be showing you how to make a quick Milo milkshake, one that the entire family can enjoy. So let's jump right into the video. So I'm now going to start by adding my first ingredient, which is milk. And this is probably about a cup of milk. Now I'm going to add some Milo milk as well. And this is the Milo milk. We're going to be adding some Milo cookies. And you want to crush them up before you add them, like that. We're also going to be adding some Milo powder. I'm using a sachet pack, but feel free to use the regular pack. And now I will be blending on low. There you have it, guys, my Milo milkshake. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you have tried it and if you liked it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.